Hey guys, welcome back to the BMW Blog YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the BMW Digital Key through the My BMW app on my iPhone. So I fired up the iPhone. I'm going to go right here to set up BMW Digital Key. Set up Digital Key. It says grab both of your car keys. So I have them with me. So that's a prerequisite. You got to have both keys with you. Continue. It says that I have to be inside the vehicle with both keys. So select that, start pairing, add car key to your iPhone wallet, continue. And now it says place iPhone on the reader to add your car key. So I'm going to do that right there. As you can see, it's starting to process the request. It's an NFC chip. And you can see the pairing right there on the iPhone. Takes a few seconds. I think I counted about 10 seconds when I tried it earlier. All right, it says main key has been added. You can see it right here on your screen. Of course, you can delete it. You can replace it. You also have the key card if you want to activate that. And then on your iPhone, you're going to say continue. And it added the key to my wallet. You can see a tutorial on how to use it. Essentially, if you want to drive off, you have to put the iPhone right there. And to open the door, you're going to hold the iPhone next to the door handle to open and close the door. Next. Once again, you can also share your digital key with someone else. So let's say that you want to give the car to someone and you don't have the physical key with you, or that person doesn't have it, then you can actually do that. So enjoy your ride. And of course, you can also manage the keys in your Apple Wallet. And you can delete it, you can open it through the My BMW app, so on and so forth. So this is the way to activate the BMW Digital Key in the new i4. Of course, it also works with other BMWs like the iX and any other BMW equipped with the latest iDrive 7, iDrive 8, iDrive 8.5, and iDrive 9, of course. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next episode with tips and tricks of your BMW.